Welcome to Easy Inspection Report. Today we're going to work on 500 electrical, and we've already selected our client, Ben Lee. So we'll click on electrical and we'll get our working screen here. Okay, again 500 has already been filled in, and we'll start off by looking across the top of what's involved in electrical. Service entrance, service meter, grounding, main service panel. In this one we have a sub panel, branch circuit wiring, receptacles, GFCIs, junction box, switch, lights and cover plates. And our opening window is 501, 502, 503 in the highlighted box. Service entrance, again we just click down and pick. In this case here was overhead. There were no defects, and as always, if these defects don't cover what you want in here, in 300 we showed you how to add a trigger word and put it in the defect list column here. Service meter, grounding, and the grounding here we just pick the grounding rod and then click OK. The next section here is the main service panel, and again it's main service panel and then subdivided 504.1 service panel, 504.2 wires, breaker type, dedicated circuits. And as you click these boxes up here and then click OK, the sentence comes out here. So in this case the main service panel was 100 amps, which would have been put in here. Voltage is 120, 240. Those were checked off. It's located in the basement here, checked off. And then you click OK and the sentence comes up. These are all defects list that you can check for in the main service panel, including undersized wires, knockout holes, clamps that might be missing. Again, review all your trigger words, highlight them, have a look at them. If you're not comfortable with them, change them. Next section, wires, breaker types, that could be in the panel box, dedicated circuits. Here you put, we clicked labels are fine, and it came up here and said labels are fine, but we could add red here and or add more here if we want to add on to this. If we want to add more on in here in these boxes here, we can. If we don't, we just highlight and delete. That was in blue, so we'll put it back in blue. Save, save successfully. Okay. 504, we go to 505. Now here's, we have a sub panel in here. Lots of times in the houses there's a basement suite and there's a sub panel, sometimes more, but a lot of times there is a sub panel. So it's filled out exactly the same way as the main panel. Branch circuit wiring in the house, copper, aluminum, knob and tube. Branch circuit wiring is copper, aluminum. Aluminum, recommend qualified electrician to inspect and maintain. On down, receptacles, grounded, ungrounded, when you check them. And again, the trigger words. GFCIs in the bath, if they're missing the bath, all we have to do is click on here and put it in the red. Missing in bathrooms. All bathrooms should have GFCI installed for safety. Same with exterior, we could add that in red. Recommend all exterior outlets be GFCI, be installed for safety. And we could save that. And let's see, junction boxes. Yeah, at the end here we got junction boxes, switches, all the different electrical components. The last one is cover plates and electrical conditions and limitations here. And so everything is the same. You always click off inspect, and then you here was all cover plates appear okay. So rather than just say inspect it, sort of as a courtesy comment, we put in all cover plates appear to be okay. And I think that's the end of this section. We'll exit here.